Hey everybody, this is Marcelo and I want to share a very special surprise with you guys. Today I received a package from a good friend of mine. He's a very talented graphic artist and he recently started a mixed media art collection, and I am very blessed and lucky to have received one of his first pieces. This was custom made for me. I've always been a huge fan of Bruce Lee and I've wanted to have something special to serve as inspiration in my office. So my friend Gennaro, the very talented artist, sent me this today, and it's actually a lot bigger than I expected. So we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. Wow, this is awesome. I'm gonna give you guys a better look, but it has Bruce Lee here. It has some of his quotes. This is an awesome quote. If you love life, don't waste time, for time is what life is made of. And this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted something that would, be a source of inspiration when I'm working in my office. Whenever you need that little pick-me-up, right? This is exactly what the purpose of this piece of artwork is, and I absolutely love it. He used the very famous Bruce Lee yellow color, and the texture in this piece is just amazing. I'm gonna do a little close-up for you guys so that you can see, so you can have a better look, but I absolutely love this. This is awesome. And here's a closer look at this one-of-a-kind custom masterpiece by Gennaro. Here's the man, Bruce Lee. Check out that texture. Beautiful. And here's that awesome quote that I read to you guys earlier. Greg, you outdid yourself. I appreciate you, brother, and I love this. Thank you so much.